Tesla FSD Supervised is about to go on widespread release. Tesla has begun rolling out full self-driving Supervised v14.2, and with this, the wide release of the system could very well begin. The update introduces a new high-resolution vision encoder, expanded emergency vehicle handling, smarter routing, new parking options, and more refined driving behavior, among other improvements. FSD v14.2 improvements. FSD Supervised v14.2's release notes highlight a fully upgraded neural network vision encoder capable of reading higher resolution features, giving the system improved awareness of emergency vehicles, road obstacles, and even human gestures. Tesla also expanded its emergency vehicle protocols, adding controlled pullovers and yielding behavior for police cars, fire trucks, and ambulances, among others. A deeper integration of navigation and routing into the vision network now allows the system to respond to blocked roads or detours in real time. The update also enhances decision-making in several complex scenarios, including unprotected turns, lane changes, vehicle cut-ins, and interactions with school buses. All in all, these improvements should help FSD Supervised v14.2 perform in a very smooth and comfortable manner. Tesla FSD v14.2 starts rolling out to initial batch of vehicles. Elon Musk's predicted wide release. The significance of v14.2 grows when paired with Elon Musk's comments from October. While responding to FSD tester AIDRIVR, who praised v14.1.2 for fixing 95% of indecisive lane changes and braking, and who noted that it was time for FSD to go on wide release, Musk stated that 14.2 for widespread use. FSD v14 has so far received a substantial amount of positive reviews from Tesla owners, many of whom have stated that the system now drives better than some human drivers, as it is confident, cautious, and considerate at the same time. With v14.2 now rolling out, it remains to be seen if the update also makes it to the company's wide FSD fleet, which is still populated by a large number of HW3 vehicles. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.